This ball is gonna make Kai learn to walk. He is so smart. He's rolling the ball up the hall and crawling behind it. Mommy, can you see him, Mommy? He is rolling the ball, crawling behind it. You have some very smart little fellas, I must admit. We have Kai crawling behind the ball. We have Mike helping out, and we have Kane doing big boy things. Here he comes with the juice. Yay! How do we spell last? Last. Last. This is my last time telling Mike to be quiet, okay? Mike, is that okay? Jamie gonna get the belt, okay? Push to the side. Look at Kai rolling the ball, crawling behind it. Brother is very smart too. Let him alone, Mike. Let him alone. Let him do his own thing. All right, fellas, we saying good morning to mommy. Are we ready? Say good morning, mommy.
Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning, Mommy.
How you feel this morning?
How you feel this morning?
I love you, mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Give me a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Mwah. Good job. All right, fellas.